Akash network, an ecosystem that recently just started pumping massively in the crypto markets despite the upheaval that we are seeing everywhere else. So this coin has already existed for a few years now. We're already seeing that before it did do all-time highs up towards around $7.20, but just recently this coin has done over a 2x in price, especially on the monthly time frame. So what is Akash network? Akash network is a $327 million market capital. Akash network is a super cloud spearheading a paradigm shift in cloud computing, disrupting conventional cloud services and pioneering a revolution in access to essential cloud resources. So let's check out the platform. They've got 90.7k followers. Quite like their banner actually. It's really exciting. Got that like a retro sort of gaming side scroller vibes to it. But overall it says sovereign infrastructure that scales an open and peer-to-peer marketplace for cloud resources. AKT being the token symbol right there. So AKT, my bad there guys. The Akash GPU testnet has completed an incredible week of progress. Multiple leading AI models were tested on NVIDIA A100 via the Akash GPU testnet, bringing Akash one step closer to creating the AI supercloud. So that's clearly their big mission right there. Overall, feeling pretty bullish on the general vision here. The mission, sovereign infrastructure that scales, is the mission statement right there, as you can see on their website, akash.network. So I thought we'd just go through this one together. You know, is it really worth looking at? Blockchain, it's got interoperability, high security, throughput, but really reading it, it says you will own your own cloud and you will be happy. With Akash, you have the power to own your own cloud. You can deploy your own cloud infrastructure and you can sell your unused cloud resources to others. You can also buy cloud resources from others and you can use them to run your application. So it's pretty cool to see that. They've got a console as well from featured apps and node deployment. You can basically deploy one if you wanted to. Don't really know how it would truly work, but I want to have a little look at that more in depth another time in another video. You can see the token itself, the AKT token. Well, Akash Network token is the native utility token of Akash Network. AKT is used as the primary means to govern the network, secure the blockchain, incentivize participants, and provide a default mechanism to store exchange value. So how it works, you have the security, you have the governance, you have the value exchange, you have incentivization as well, and a bunch of different ecosystem tools are also included in the overall ecosystem. So looks pretty cool. Token metrics, 216 million circulating supply. Price $1.15. I don't know how accurate that is right now. Let's just check. 151 currently. Market cap was 248 million back then, so they do need to of course update this. It's a few days old, but it does look really, really good. Maximum supply is just 388 million tokens. Pretty decent trading volume. You can buy on a few different centralized exchanges. You've got Kraken, KuCoin. I mean, it's not listed on the major tier ones, so I think there's a lot of upside potential with this one. Dexes, you've got Osmosis, Sif Chain as well. But yeah, it looks like a juicy ecosystem. Quite a lot to explore here. Here's the Akash ecosystem. Browse and search projects powered by the Akash network. So there's lots of different dApps here, sort of DeFi ventures that you can look at. I mean, interesting to see the Osmosis Dex is also powered here by the Akash network too. So we're going to look at a bit of price analysis before we get into it. Remember, we do have a bunch of juicy signals in my crypto Discord, just listed down below. So if you do want to unlock a bunch of trading signals like the ones you can see on screen, make sure you join. We've now got 16,800 members in this community, so please check it out. Remember, it's not financial advice, and if you want to become a patron to this, honestly guys, we've got some really juicy packages which will help enhance your crypto journey. Crypto Legend has just one spot remaining, one crypto legend remaining. I don't know who it's going to go to. We do have 10 crypto champion slots remaining too, but if you want to unlock these benefits, I'm going to keep rambling on about them. You know, you're going to get access to this whole entire list that you can see on screen. So give us some love, subscribe, like, comment, get into the Discord, check out the Patreon, and let's have a look at AKT. So AKT USD, what a great bit of price action just recently. We can see we're trading in this nice symmetrical triangle. right here, and we've got a massive blast to the upside. So from 0.63 all the way up to $1.52. What a great pump right there. 4-hour time frame does look like we have written in some nice support. So if we do get a bit of a correction, we've got support down here at $1.13 for some potential buy orders. That's where I'd be putting mine right now. But as the 4-hour looks, you know, and the 1 hour, still a bunch of green candles. In fact, we've got a bunch of support here as well. So there's really a nice layer of support levels that we do have for this token now. You can see I've just written in some major supports at $1.13 and also $1.35. So the market capital for the coin is relatively low, as we did identify at $327 million. So it does mean there's a potential bit of upside here. So did get a bounce up to $1.72. This is of course our resistance range now for this particular token. So we're looking at the hourly time frame. We're still getting those green candles come in, but we are at the top of the Bollinger Bands, and we're sitting above that 20-day moving average now, whilst being overbought on the 1 hour time frame. But yeah, tons and tons of green candles. It does look pretty good. I do expect some sort of pullback if we do get rejected around this level here at $1.51. Ideally, I think, you know, the limits or the potential for this particular network right here by the next crypto bull run, I mean, a $327 million market capitalization is low, and potentially you could see a 20x all the way up to 6 billion if there's enough buying pressure, if they get enough adoption globally and enough big partnerships, and of course tier 1, tier 2 centralized exchange partnerships and listings as well. So that would really help with the overall liquidity and the volume that comes through. So $1.51, I think by next bull run we're looking at $10 to $20 for this particular token. What do you think, guys? Let me know down below. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Please do hit that subscribe button right now before this video shuts off. Stay crypto safe. I don't have WhatsApp. I don't have Telegram. I've only got the Discord. So it's the only way you can contact me and also speak to the community. So please get yourself in the Discord channel. Come and say hi. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your evenings. See you later.